Hello guys, we're back again with another video for you. This is Beanstalk. My name is Patrick.
And my name is Emma. And we have been talking about business management and how to run, start and manage businesses.
Yeah.
And we have been talking about the world of business. And in another video, we talked about courses that you're supposed to do if you want to maybe be an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
And we have been digging in this topic. And today we wanted to talk about 5 financial management skills you should have.
Yeah.
Because when you're talking about business, obviously you have to deal with money. And when you're dealing with money, there are some things that you need to know. So otherwise, you don't find yourself making losses and your business is falling down because you don't know how to manage your finances. So I feel it's very critical for someone to understand how to manage their finances, especially if you are running a business.
Yeah.
And so the question is, how do you really manage your finances, or what skills do you need to possess so that you're able to manage your finances?
Yeah.
One of the skills you're supposed to possess is budgeting and forecasting.
Yeah.
And when it's talking about budgeting, what do you understand by the word budgeting when it comes to a business?
When it comes to a business, I would say you have a certain amount of money. So budgeting is what are you planning to do with that
money. Yeah. And when you're talking about budgeting, you find that most people, yes, they will budget, but they don't know how, if the budget is going to the correct thing. So you find that they're budgeting for things that are not even making sense. So you find that, let's say for a business, you even budgeting for, give me an example, like what can you budget and really doesn't make sense?
Maybe for expensive TVs.
Yes. Do you really need a TV in your or you find sometimes they want to buy expensive flowers, expensive decoration, expensive furniture in an office. You find this budgeting, and even that is maybe the money that you're using for budgeting was the one that made profit. Instead of now restocking that money and buying new products or adding more products, you're buying things that are not making sense.
And they won't bring back any profit.
So if you're a business manager, you need to have budgeting and forecasting skills. And when we're talking about forecasting, is being able to understand that if the budget that you have set, is it going to translate to the revenue that maybe you want your business to generate? Yes. Another skill that you should have is cash flow management. So obviously when you're running a business, there will be money that is coming in and money that is going out. So if you're not able to balance, you'll find that a lot of money few money is coming. Is it few money? Less money is coming in, and then more money is going out. So you're not able to balance, and then that you find your business is collapsing.
Like if you're spending more than you are receiving in a business, that's the first step to fail.
And then the other skill that you're supposed to have is financial analysis. And when we're talking about financial analysis, that is where you are able to analyze your business. How much is it making, and which area needs to be boosted. Because obviously when you're talking about finances, there's something called marketing. You need to know is really how much money am I sending to marketing, and is all this marketing, is it really adding sense? Because you can be putting money in marketing and you're not even marketing in the right places. So you need to have a financial analysis, knowing if your money is going to the right places and if the money is really bringing whatever you want.
Or even expenses. You still need to check on your expenses. That is how you get to track where your money is going.
And then another skill that you're supposed to have is called risk management. Remember that sometimes you'll be needed to put money in a certain area and you don't know the outcome. And we talk about entrepreneurship, and we always say when it comes to entrepreneurship, it's always about taking risk. Or do you think you can start a business and not take risks?
No, of course. The moment you say you're starting the business, that's a risk already.
That is a risk already. So when it comes even to money, it's also a risk. You need to know which areas, if I invest my money, if I put my money, if I put my finances there, they will drain my company. So you need to know risk management. And if in case maybe your business, the finances go not the way you had planned, how do you come out of that? Have you ever found in a situation where the business, they have used money in a very bad way and they don't know a way of coming up or coming back to the position they were? They can't redeem themselves. So find that the company went down because of financial bankruptcy, and they cannot come back from that because they did not do risk management. And then another financial management skills you should have is financial communication, where you're able to now present your finances after maybe you have obviously you'll be using money. So how do you report that money? how do you tabulate so that you can show your fellow colleagues that I used this money to do this. This is what it brought back. Having that communication where you're able to present your finances in a clear and concise way that everyone, even if you present to your team, they are able to understand.
Maybe you are absent, like the business can still go on because they'll be looking at that strategy and then just follow that certain route.
So when it comes to finances, I think finances is very, very critical when it comes to a business, and having skills to manage these finances will determine if your business will stay or it will collapse. So if you're a business manager and you don't have these financial management skills,
you're in a wrong.
It is very bad for you. So I think everyone should have a budgeting and forecasting skills. You have cash flow management, you should have financial analysis, you should have risk management, and you should have financial communication. And we have said about financial communication is where you're able to communicate how you're using the money and if the money is really translating and people can understand how you have been using your money. Have you ever heard of companies where they have collapsed because the money, they don't understand how the finances are going?
Exactly.
And even let me tell you something, employees, they are always willing to use your money in the wrong way.
Exactly.
Especially if you just live there and there's no one to actually, there's no one who holds liability. They will buy things for themselves. I can attest. People are overspenders, especially where they feel that money is coming for free.
Like it's not their money, it's not coming.
It's not something that they paid for. So it is really necessary for you to have financial management skills, so that you can be able to run your business smoothly and without facing many losses, and not finding, so that you don't find yourself you're using the profits that you're making to sustain your business because it's collapsing. So those are the 5 financial management skills you should have. Make sure at the end of this video you like, you comment, subscribe, share, and hit on the notification button so that every time we upload a new video, you can be notified.
And if someone wants to take their business management skills or anything related to business, you can decide to enroll for a course at Finstock University College, where they have online courses and they are very affordable. So, and you can do them anywhere because they are online. So visit their website. Their website is www.finstockuniversity.com, or you can email them at info@finstockuniversity.com. You can even call their customer care number at 0703 313 722.
That is it, guys. Until next time, goodbye.